So this is my my Christmas right now that I'm packing up right now with all these peanuts. This is all peanuts and stuff. So this is Christmas and just that, and I think that's it for the big bulky Christmas right now. Oh, and the ovals are going in here. So I'm making stride. I already have that going, so let's keep going. Hi guys, I gotta go to the post office. I got my husband a Fitbit and it came and it's defective, so I gotta go to the post office. I gotta go return diapers because Maddie is a year old and I've never had to buy a diaper, but the sizes that we got at our baby shower for the raffle that we did, she has a couple size 1, a couple size 2. So what I did is there's an app on my phone that I can scan and see where the diapers came from, so I can take them back to that store and get a bigger size. And yeah, so so I had to go back and change my shoe because I was wearing sliders, and then under the bottom it has these little holes in them, and then it's raining, so every time I walk the water would come up and wet my socks. So I was like so my husband was like, put your Chucks on. So I went back and put my Chucks on, but I don't like wearing Chucks because even though I wear socks, it's still kind of that's my phone. So I had to go back and let me turn this off. So come on, I went back and changed my shoe.
Did you touch this?
And no, it's dirty though. That's dirty.
No, why is it
dirty? I didn't touch that. But tomorrow's Jackson's birthday, the 13th, and what's wrong?
Why is it so, like, touch it?
Dirty.
Touch it.
Oh.
You think it's the humidity?
I don't know. This car is like, anyways, so tomorrow's Jackson's birthday and we are on our way to go get his presents. Of course we're going to church, and then after church we're going to his mom's house. Babe, could you please put your belt on so that
humidity, touch this.
Oh, it's still, oh yeah, a big birthday, which is like 1, and then Destiny's gonna get her. What, sounds funny?
I think you need brakes.
What? Oh wow, now what? You need brakes?
Hopefully it's just because it's wet. I mean, brakes for this car is not.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, we are down to 1 car now.
Brakes for this car is cheap.
We're down to this car.
So when they do the oil change, I tell them to do the brakes.
Yeah, so yours truly, this girl over here can't wait till April because April is when we close on our house. So, well, they pushing us out to May. So, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. But at the same time,
I think we're gonna finish by April.
Yeah, because we're building from scratch. So we break ground soon. We had our pre-construction meeting today, but that got canceled because something came up, so we fixed it. Like, they called us Monday with a problem. By Tuesday we had everything rectified. By Wednesday everything was cleared up and ready to go. By Thursday we got to go ahead that our lot was secure and we were back in business and rolling, but it was too late because we fell out of the queue for groundbreaking. So we have to get back. So hopefully, he said it would push us back a week, but he was saying something about February. So I'm like, I don't want to wait till February because then that pushes us in May to close. And then my husband, you know, it's just a lot. And then our vehicle situation, we can't buy a new vehicle until we close on our house, and we can't, you know, we can't incur any more debt and stuff like that. It's just like, oh. But the good thing is all of our debt and stuff is just like if we were to continue this way and not buy a house, we would be good to go, because everything is like legit right now. Like, I've never seen our finances so in order.
Yeah,
this is just how you should keep it.
The
like,
house process kind of forces you
to stay out of debt, you know.
Give you anything.
But anyways, I'll see you guys once we get to where we're going. Bye, guys. So my husband got up this morning and made himself breakfast, right? And I'm not a breakfast person at all. Not a breakfast person. I don't eat breakfast. I don't do breakfast. And he knows that, right? So every time he makes breakfast, he offers it to me. I'm like, I don't eat breakfast. Why are you making me this food? This morning, because yesterday I didn't eat dinner. All I had was like oatmeal, a little bowl of oatmeal, and I went to bed. This morning I woke up and I smelled food, and it smelled so good. And came out, smell went away, and I was like, what's going on? Because I'm like, I was preparing to eat. I go over, see him sitting down enjoying his sandwich. I go in the kitchen, there's no plate whatsoever. The stove is off. There's no food in the pot. And I'm like, where's my breakfast? Dude, where's my breakfast? He's like, I didn't make you any because you don't eat breakfast. Now we're arguing about the fact that, you know, if you're gonna make me something and you know that I don't eat breakfast, ask. Be like, you know, Janice, do you want some breakfast? And I could give, that gives me option to say, yes, I want breakfast, or no, I don't want any breakfast. But don't assume that I don't want breakfast just because I don't eat breakfast. You know what I mean? Am I wrong? Comment down below if I'm wrong, and I'll own up to the fact that I'm wrong. You know what I mean? But anyways, we're on our way to Walmart. I accidentally, like, I printed out this shipping label thingy, and it didn't print out correctly. It was jam, and Smarty here didn't even think to reprint it, because I looked at it and I was like, it printed. Got to the post office and like, ma'am, we're missing some more barcodes here. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So I'll deal with that later. Maddie's fussing. I got a veggie burger. Marcelo got a just a veggie sandwich. They're not vegan? Hey, Mama. All right, come closer. You ready to eat? Okay, so I just finished eating at Subway. It was good, but my husband is like, the veggie burger thingy, veggie patties or whatever, is not vegan. I'm not as strict as he is. Someday I want to be very, very, very strict, but when you're hungry and starving, anything that looks close to meat will do, okay? So we're going to Walmart and I will see you guys there. Even though I might complain about Walmart, they're like coming through for me right now. So I brought back 1 box of diaper for Walmart. They gave me store credit and I was able to get Maddie another size. And I have a box of diaper that I don't even know where it's from. And I checked 3 stores so far and no one knows where the diaper's from. So, and it's like a box with 192 diapers. And then Target, they're like, they won't take back their diaper. Even though I'm like, I just want a bigger size. So they won't take back their diaper. So needless to say, that's it for me and Target. Target and I are through. We're done. We're breaking up. Either way, I wasn't really in love with Target, but Target and I are through. Done. I've broken up with Target. I'm falling back in love with Walmart, okay? Needless to say, that's where I belong. Anyways, I got Jackson's birthday present. What else did we do? That's about it. And we are on. We just got back in the house, and I'm about to wrap Jackson's presents. for his birthday. He said he wanted 6 presents for his birthday, so we got him 6 presents. Look who's up. Say hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie. She's smiling for you guys. Say hi, baby. She's drinking almond milk. She loves her almond milk. Who? The mailman? Yeah, he took it. So that's it. That completes our errand for the day. Come, baby. Ready? Ah! Ah! All right. Say hi, Juju. Say Juju. No, Juju, don't do that. Want to come wrap presents with me? So yeah, I have like six little presents. I'm gonna show you guys what I got him. And he said he's turning 6, so he needs 6 presents. So I got him 6 presents, and our budget was $20. And you know, because it's right after Christmas, toys were like on clearance, like legit on clearance. So I got him 6 presents, and my husband got him some Starburst, so I'm about to wrap those. Okay, say hello to the peeps, man. Say hi, Maddie. Want to do your affirmation? We haven't done affirmation in a while, guys. Like, we're legit slacking on affirmation. Maddie, you want to do affirmation? I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. I love you, Madison. Say bye, guys. See you later. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Maddie, say bye-bye. Here, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, I was looking for a wrapping paper, like a birthday wrapping paper for Jaxson. They were like $3.98 or something. Bruh. Why I brought out the Christmas? Well, my husband's like, we have leftover wrapping paper from Christmas. You better use those. So I have a bunch of wrapping paper left over from Christmas. He's 6 years old. He doesn't really care what his presents are wrapped in. So I'm gonna wrap his presents in Christmas paper. And yeah. Did you bring the scissors? And the thing. So my husband got him, I hope you guys can see. So my husband got him this little what is this? Kong Skull Island. This looks like that. And this guy was $7. This guy was $1. So it's just a blow up beach ball. And he likes these. So this was $1. Then got him some Starburst that Mighty already got into. That's not one of his gifts, but got him these. They were originally $6. They were on clearance for 50 cents. So hit up your Walmart if you have boys that are into Disney cars. So I got that one. And I got this guy. I thought it was the same thing, but it's not. But I got him this other one, and these were $1. Then we got him 2 books. So our aim and motto is to get them something educational. So we got one is math and the other one is vocabulary. So he's in kindergarten, so these are for 1st grade because he's going to 1st grade next year. So that's that, and I think that's all we got him. So I'm gonna wrap these, so let's go. Maddie, why did you unroll the whole thing of Christmas paper? Like, why? I got Jackson's 6 gifts here. Is that 6? Yeah. I'm all done. What are you doing, Maddie? Maddie, what are you doing? Why do you feel the need to do that, Maddie?
Have you seen the little red top? to the jug that we use for water?
No. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go prepare for Sabbath. Tomorrow is our Sabbath. Well, Sabbath starts in a few hours. So I'm gonna go prepare for that. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. So we're packed and ready to go. Of course, my aim is to pack 2 boxes per week. That's a cucumber or zucchini. The plan is to pack 2 boxes per week, or as much as we possibly can, so that when we're ready to go, it's a go. Like, I'm not here like trying to pack up a whole apartment. So that's that. And if I didn't tell you guys, we're building in another state, so we're moving out of state. It's a very tedious, it's a very exciting process, but it's a very long process because we started the journey back in November. We started in November. Today's January. Yeah, so as we move along further in the process, I will share bits and pieces, and then you guys will see a video of me putting all the bits and pieces into one video, so you guys can see that and see what it is, the steps and everything that we took to get to home ownerships and owning our own piece of property and stuff like that. But anyways, it was so bad. It got to the point where it's so bad I was dreaming of us losing our lot. Like, a friend came to me and was like, I bought next door to you guys, and I was like, oh my gosh, what? And she was like, she told me the lot number, and I was like, that's our lot. She was like, it is? I was like, yes. It was funny. But anyways, the reason why I waited to tell you guys is because there's certain things that you have to do, and it's not guaranteed. So I waited until we were at a point where I could share. Either way, we could still walk away from this and say, this is not what we want to do. Stuff that we just would lose our money that we put down. We'd lose a whole bunch of money, and at this point, I don't think we want to lose any money. So we're not walking away from this. This is legit now. So I just figured I would share with you guys that we are building and we are moving out of states. Oh, but anyways, I will talk to you guys on Monday. Thank you guys so much. Oh, I forgot. I want to take a special time out to welcome all my new sunshines. Like, my channel is like growing at like it is growing so fast. Like, every day I wake up and check, it's like just, it's crazy. But anyways, welcome to all my new sunshines. Hello, my name is Janice, and if you're new here, welcome. And to my old regular day one subbies, you know, you guys know what's up. Hello. And yeah, I love each and every one of you. Like, legit love. I love my sunshines. Like, there's a reason why I do this. I don't do this for the money because I don't get any. But yeah, I love my sunshines, and I love each and every one of you that take the time out from week to week to comment under my videos and support me. And yeah, so I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.